Hey everybody. Alright. This is day 3, 48 hours after they've soaked in this vinegar water concoction. Here's the weights. And I'll show you what this did. Well, these had rust all over them. More than this. But it got a good amount off. The surface rust, but you see the difference? It's pretty good. So it's not gonna take long to get the rust off. I might use an electric sander, but yeah, it works well just to get it off. Look at that. There we go. Big time difference. Now it's 48 hours and about 1/3 vinegar, 2/3 water, maybe about 3/8 vinegar. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let them dry, and then once they're dry, I'm spraying them with the Rust-Oleum paint. And I'm using, yeah. All right. Peace.